Humble yourself.
Inti, silence, Dwayne. Mela, ħanibda, go. Which champion's weapon of choice is a rocket launcher?
Jinx.
Which champion is also known as the Chain Warden?
Silas.
Ħażina, don't worry. What's the name of the Netflix League of Legends series?
Arcane.
What's the name of the League of Legends card game?
Legends of Runeterra.
Which video company developed the game League of Legends?
Riot Games.
Yes. In the Super Mario movie, the song Peaches is sung by who?
Browser. Oh, Bowser. Browser.
Who plays Wednesday Addams in the Netflix series?
Nsejx isima.
All right. What is the name? We'll take that as no.
Wednesday.
What's the name of the first-person shooter game developed by Blizzard?
Overwatch.
Pedro Pascal plays which character in the Last of Us series?
Time up. Time up, guys. Time up.
Kemm għandi?
6.
Bro!